everybody, I want to start off with a pretty straightforward example of how you can just ask ChatGPT-5 some questions and then kind of further elaborate to get better answers. The first thing I want to check on is a large, complicated document we all know is the one big, beautiful bill. Obviously, it's a very large document that could be very relevant to your business. So I'm just going to go here and ask, how does the one big, beautiful bill affect businesses in the US? I'm going to search the web. As you notice, it's actually a pretty quick search. Only took a couple of seconds to return. It came back to One Big Beautiful Bill Act. 100% bonus depreciation made permanent. That's good. Qualified production property. Some R&D expense. That's interesting. Still kind of vague though. And then let's see, some higher limits on Section 179, a QBI, interest deduction, etc. And then all the way up to the ARC. As you notice, there's like a nice summary at the end, which is interesting. Now I'm in software. So I actually, now that I think about it, let me be more specific. So now I'm going to say, okay, how does the One Big Beautiful Bill affect software companies? Think hard. Now, it's important to note that by me saying think hard, what I've done is I'm making it use its different reasoning model, which is going to, as you can see, take much longer, but it's powerful resources to get answers on this. So we're going to wait for a bit. See what we get back here. Buffering, continue to buffer. At any point, by the way, if you get impatient, you can click get quick answer to get that. So this is very interesting. So now I'm found out that you can domestic R&D is immediately deductible. Before you had to amortize it over 5 years. That could be very helpful. And some other things are pretty complicated. What to expect next, segment location. And then, of course, articles for reference. So at this point, you could, let's say I'm going to make this up. Let's say I spent $500K per year on R&D from 2020 to 2024, but I didn't capitalize it. What can I do now? So this is really interesting. It's actually giving me direction how to correct my past returns and then get the credit going forward. And so I'm still fuzzy on this. I'm not an accountant, so I'm going to say, please prepare a letter to send my CPA with relevant references, relevant links. And there you go. I could copy paste this over to email and send this over to my accountant.